Good afternoon. It's 4 p.m. on November 16th, and my name's Jamie Enderlin, and I'm a forecaster at the Chicago National Weather Service office. Thank you for joining me in this multimedia briefing where we will discuss the severe weather potential for tomorrow, November 17th. We're looking at a variety of hazardous weather tomorrow, with severe thunderstorms being the main threat. With the severe thunderstorms, we're looking for the potential for large hail, damaging winds, tornadoes, and lightning across northern Illinois and northwest Indiana. The storms are expected to begin early Sunday morning and extend through Sunday afternoon. High winds are also expected outside of thunderstorms, with gusts up to 45 miles per hour, and then heavy rain will be associated with the thunderstorms. Here's the wind advisory we currently have out for the southern and southeastern portions of our warning area of responsibility. The wind advisory is for 10 a.m. tomorrow through 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, and once again we're looking for wind gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Looking at the rain potential, when everything's said and done tomorrow night, up to an inch of rain is expected. Of course, locally higher amounts are possible due to thunderstorms. As mentioned before, we're looking for the potential of severe weather tomorrow, and we are under a moderate risk for tomorrow, and that moderate risk covers just about the entire warning area. Looking at the different types here are the threats we're looking for associated with the severe weather tomorrow, and damaging winds by far the highest threat. There's also a good threat for tornadoes and a smaller threat for significant tornadoes, which would be EF2 or greater. There's also a chance of hail, especially early Sunday morning, but once again, the best threat is going to be for damaging winds tomorrow. Now, when I talk about tornadoes, yes, it is November, but looking back from 1950 through 2012, we've had 12 total tornadoes in our area of responsibility, with 7 of those being significant. Once again, significant being EF2 or greater. And the last one was in the Rockford area in 2010, which is only 3 years ago. So tornadoes are definitely possible in November. Looking at timing now for the storms, this is from 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. Central Standard Time, and we're expecting some storms, possibly severe, to move in along and west of the I-39 corridor. Main threats here would be hail with the possibility of tornadoes, possibly some wind reports. Then between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. we're expecting a relative lull in severe weather activity, but there's still a possibility to be some severe storms, once again with hail being the main threat as the storms push east. From 9 to noon, still kind of a lull, a storm starting to approach the Chicago metro area and spread across northern Illinois. Things will really ramp up between noon and 3 p.m. with explosive thunderstorm development over far northeastern and eastern Illinois into northwest Indiana. At this time, for certain, looking at the damaging winds, possibly tornadoes, and a little bit less of a threat of hail. Between 3 and 6 p.m., the thunderstorms push to the east, or the threat of thunderstorm pushes east into northwest Indiana, and then after 6 p.m., the threat of severe weather should be east of our area of concern. It's the time to look at thunderstorm preparedness and know your risk, with the risk being damaging winds, tornadoes, large hail, lightning, and heavy rain. Make sure you have a plan, especially if you have any outdoor activities planned tomorrow, and be prepared to use it. Also, since we're discussing tornadoes, here's a brief slide on tornado safety. Just keep in mind that sometimes tornadoes develop very rapidly, and advance warning is not possible. So please make sure you have a way to keep an eye on any watches or warnings our office issues, and keep an eye on the sky. Once again, going over the impacts expected for tomorrow, November 17th, we're looking at severe thunderstorms beginning early Sunday morning through Sunday afternoon. Outside of thunderstorms, gusty winds are also expected with gusts up to 45 miles per hour, and then heavy rain will be associated with those thunderstorms. Once again, my name is Jamie Enderlin. I'm a forecaster of the National Weather Service in Chicago, and I want to thank you for joining me in this multimedia briefing. Please keep an eye on our webpage, weather.gov/Chicago, or on social media. We're on Facebook and Twitter to see what the latest forecast is. Thank you.